Kirchhoff's first law or Kirchhoff's current law or junction rule. So this is abbreviated as KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. So according to this, algebraic sum of currents at any node in an electrical network is 0. Algebraic sum of currents at any node in an electrical network is 0. So in order to understand this law, we will consider a circuit as shown in the diagram. So O is a node, I1, I2, I3, I4 are the currents that are acting at O. Now if you look at this, I1 is current entering the node O, I3 is also entering, whereas I2 and I4 are leaving. So according to our sign convention, currents entering the node are taken as positive, currents leaving the node are taken as negative. So if we apply KCL to this particular situation at O, at the node O, if you apply KCL, what do we get? Current entering I1 is positive, whereas I2 is negative. Current leaving it is going away from O. Then I3 is current entering the node, so it is positive. I4 is leaving the node, that is negative. So I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 is equal to 0. Or you can also write this as I1 plus I3 is equal to I2 plus I4. So what is this I1 plus I3? It is nothing but currents entering the node. I2 plus I4 is what? Currents leaving the node. So what you can conclude is current entering the node is equal to current leaving the node. That means no charge accumulation takes place at a node. In an electrical network, node will not accumulate any charge. So no charge will be accumulated. Currents entering the node will be equal to currents leaving the node. So hence you can say it is nothing but the restatement of law of conservation of charge, right? It is restatement of the law of conservation of charge.